What are you doing? Run!
I want to be your friend.
Just help me get back to my own world, okay?
As soon as you tell us how to make gunpowder, you'll be on your way. I finished grinding the bit crystal.
Put a pinch in the bottom of this jar. Half the baking soda. And some vinegar. Quickly, put it in the jar, quick. Seal the top and shake it. Put it down. Perfect. Okay, now run. You have to go upstairs and expose it to the sun for an hour. You'll have to keep stirring it or else it'll burst into flames. Good luck. Now for the real gunpowder. Okay, I don't know how big this explosion will be, but we should take cover.
I can't see what all the fuss is about.
I don't think that would scare a baby, let alone a marauder.
We'll try a bigger one then. What are you doing? Run!
Now that's what I was hoping for.
Now will you help me get back home?
Soon, Paul. But first I want to know more about this world you come from.
I'm not telling you anything else, and I'm not making any more gunpowder unless you two help me get home.
It doesn't matter, Paul. I've made my own gunpowder. You've tricked me, Paul!
Ashka, this is Coral. Where are you?
Out riding, Regent.
I need to speak to you immediately. It will be to your benefit.
What's it about, Regent?
Hurry on!
It's a private matter. And urgent.
What does the old fool want now? Tie the boy up and wait here.
The truth is, you're never going back home.
Yes, he is.
Let him go!
You're right, Paul. Your knowledge is too dangerous for this world. We have to get you home.
Griffin!